Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, faculty at YourPedia. Subscribe this channel for more this kind of information. In this video, I'm going to explain you about a step-by-step procedure how to apply for MTech at IIT Dharwad. Okay, IIT Dharwad M.tech application form is out and its last date is 25th of April 2025, 25/4/2025. Right? Yes, let's get into this. See, what you have to do is just go to IIT Dharwad website. There you find MTech MTech application form, or just a PG admissions you type, you get. Then you have to give your mail ID. Then you need to put some password. You will get one link to your mail ID what you've given. Then from there you can verify your mail ID. Then after that, whatever the password you want to give, by following their instructions with regarding password, you can give that details, right? Then once you do that registration process, it will ask you to log in with the mail ID and password what you given there, right? Once you log in, this page will display, right? So it is giving like username is this and name is Jatin Singla. Okay, select the relevant option. We have MTech Research, PhD and MTech, regular MTech. Okay, so I'll go for regular MTech. Okay, teaching assistantship, yes, generally regular as MTech students who are having a valid GATE score will go for teaching assistantship. Okay, apply now. Yes, apply now. Yes, these are the instructions. Please read the instructions very carefully. And it is saying the payment, see in the instructions, yes, the very simple things only, they are not that big things. Important things I am taking up. State Bank collect online SBI.SBI. So for general candidates it is 200. For women, SC, ST, PWD category candidates it will be 100 rupees for the application. Okay, per application it is. Keep the following information handy while filling out the application form. They are asking about photographs should be 50 KB to 200 KB and education mark sheets and certificates. You must have all semesters and all education qualification mark sheets and certificates with you. That is mandatory, right? Then गेट स्कोर कार्ड, यस आपके पास गेट का स्कोर कार्ड होना चाहिए. गेट स्कोर कार्ड COAP नंबर. इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग थ्रू गेट, अगर आप गेट के थ्रू अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको ये लगता होगा कि सर बिना गेट के भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम IITs और NITs, एनी सेंट्रली फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स, and if you have CGPA greater than 8, then you can apply without GATE also. So that option is also there. Mostly that kind of options you will find in MTech Research and PhD. Right, mostly for MTech they will accept GATE score. Through GATE score only they will take, right? We'll see, right? Details of the publications, if you are going for PhD, you may have some publications you did during your masters, right? Then work experience, yeah, some guys are having work experience. Curriculum vitae means your CV, complete CV. In MTech Research and PhD, your CV is very important, right? Any other achievements or information, right? Please upload all relevant documents including GATE scorecard, UG mark sheet, etc. Failure to do so may result in the rejection of your application. Upload all the relevant documents in PDF format only. Maximum size is 2 MB. Many students will call, sir, I'm putting my document, it is not taking. Check the size. Maximum size should be 2 MB only, right? Carefully go through the filled in details before submitting. Application once submitted cannot be modified for any reason. Note this point also. Once you submit the application, it cannot be submitted for any reason. Resubmitted means it cannot be edited. Your application is liable to be rejected for incomplete or false information. Okay, be clear with this. For any technical assistance, please send an email to pgadmissions@iitdharwad.ac.in. Right, we are agreeing all those things. Just agree and press next. Now, department or program, for which department you want to apply. Yes, if you want to apply for computer science engineering, yes, applying eligibility for application, right? Yes, BTech or equivalent with a valid GATE score, BTech or equivalent from IITs or BS from IISc with the minimum CPA or CGPA of 8. As I told you, if you are from IITs, इसमें NIT वालों को नहीं दिया है, they are not taking from NIT guys. If you have a BTech from IIT or BS from IISc, Bachelor in Science, if you have that degree, and that too with how much CGPA, 8.0 CGPA, then you can apply. So most of our candidates are through this valid GATE score. That's why I'm selecting that. Through GATE score, that's why I'm selecting that, right? Then next, if I go, then we go for personal information. Yeah, some details I already filled so that it will be handy for you to not to waste your valuable time. right? Title, Mr., name and date of birth, very clearly written here, name as per 10th or SSC. Every one of you must check this one. Always you have to mention your name as per your SSC. In some of the IITs they mention name as per your last qualification. If your last qualification is BTech, in your BTech certificate how the name is mentioned, put that name. If your last qualification is MTech, you can put that, but if as it is very clearly mentioned as per SSC, we can put as per SSC, right? Date of birth, gender, marital status, right? Nationality, category, then mobile number, then mail ID, alternate mail ID, differently abled, no, mostly differently abled. If you have disability certificate, then only you select that differently abled, right? Address, correspondence address and permanent address, right? Then let's go for this. Is very simple personal information section. Every one of you will understand very easily that personal information section. Then this is education qualification, SSC. Yes, SSC, they are asking about your CGPA, how much you obtained. Okay, division or class. Here I can edit it as first class. Yes, I can edit as first class. See, more than 60% it is first class, more than 75% it is first class with distinction, right? First class with distinction, you can edit it. Okay, yes, SSC board, right? CGPA, yes, CGPA. If you are from percentage, you can put it as percentage here, update. Yeah, you can edit this division, or automatically the division it will give sometimes. Yeah, division automatically it will give. And if you have diploma details, yes, diploma details you can fill. If you have intermediate details, see why I selected a diploma, most of the diploma students are facing difficulty. Okay, you can add here. If you put add, you can put your 10+2 intermediate details. Add, just add, you will get this kind of section only. There you can put your intermediate and from which college, passing date, education education level, inter, it will come there, university or board, state board or CBSE board, whatever it is, score type, CGPA, how much specialization, what is specialization, MPC. If you are from intermediate, it will be MPC. But why I filled diploma here, most of the diploma candidates are facing problem. If you want to add, if you have diploma plus intermediate, yes, education level, you can select here, 10+2 you can select. Okay, degree of date of passing, you can take your year of passing, right? Next, university or board, state board or central board or ICSE board, 3 boards are there, right? Score type, CGPA. So this is very simple to fill, right? Then after that, your BTech, right? You see how many qualifications you have, that many times you can press this green button, add all the qualifications with the correct details you put there, all the details you put there. Then I'm going for the next. It is automatically saved if you say next. Okay, right? Entry exam details, yes, entry exam details. What entry exam you taken? Yes, what entry exam you taken? National level exam fellowship, yes. GATE, if you are having GATE score, you select GATE score. If you are from IIT or IISc, if you do not have GATE score, you need not to select that, right? Exam paper, which paper? Computer science you given. Exam of the year. All the IITs or NITs are accepting 2025, 2024, 2023 consecutively 3 years GATE score they are accepting, right? If you have GATE score, recent GATE score, put 2025. Right, valid until, yes, your GATE score is valid till 2028. 3 years is the GATE score validity, right? You can put there here 2028, you can put here, right? Yes, or Jan or till Feb you put, or Feb 1st you put. Okay, next is COAP registration number. This is very important. You have to put your COAP registration number before you fill your application form. Must and should, what it is required is COAP registration number, then rank, then score, then examination registration number. Upload scorecard, it is asking you to upload the scorecard also, right? And most of you having doubt, sir, I have 2023, 2024, 2025, all 3 GATE scores. You can put add here. Okay, once after filling all these details, if you press add, it will come for one more time. You can select here 2024, the same process you do, then add 2023 score also you can add, right? I'm going for the next. I'm not filling all these details because this is as I explained you, the same way you have to do, right? It will want to go to the next till you fill all the details here in this page, right? Then what it is left after this? Work experience. After work experience, documents and submit. See, those are very simple things. As I'm not filling those GATE details, COAP number and all, it is not going for the work experience place. At work experience also, you must have experience certificate, and your employer must be in a position to give you the work experience certificate without NOC. It is right? And after that, documents, if you go to documents, no, all the documents, as he said, your photograph, signature, 10th class certificate, intermediate certificate, or diploma certificate, or BTech mark sheets, all those things you must add there, right? And see, if you are a student who is pursuing BTech now, in that is 2025, you need to select your date of BTech passed out as 2025. Then it will, even if you do not have that last semester mark sheet also, nothing is going to happen, right? So in the documents, you need to upload those documents, and after that, once you go to submit, the payment details will come, you can pay there, right? So this is how you need to fill this IIT Dharwad form, right? See, these things are very simple. If you have work experience, documents, and submit, these are very simple things. In the submit, when you go for submit, then their payment details will come. So one point, a very important point I want to tell you here. Some of the banks, like state banks, is taking 36 hours once you do the payment to give you a number. Okay, that is going to generate a number, and in the websites of IITs, some IITs, they're asking you need to put that I can say payment reference number in the website. So it is always better to fill your form 3 to 4, at least 4 to 5 days before only, right? All the best, all of you. If you have any query, you can contact YourPedia when if you have any query for this application form filling, right? And subscribe this channel, you will get very good relevant information like this, right? Thank you.